In today's rapidly changing relationship landscape, understanding what truly attracts women can feel complex. From the steady, dependable partner to the adventurous, enigmatic type, each brings a unique charm that appeals in different ways. This guide delves into what makes a man genuinely captivating by exploring traits that foster lasting connections. We'll look at qualities like confidence, ambition, and emotional insight to uncover the attributes that resonate deeply with women and help forge meaningful relationships. Join us on this journey of personal growth, vulnerability, and the art of connection as we reveal ways to be the best version of yourself in the world of relationships. The steadfast man. Many women are drawn to men who embody steadfastness, those whose words consistently align with their actions. This goes beyond just building trust. It reflects a fundamental desire for security and stability in a relationship. A steadfast man values integrity, an essential quality for nurturing a strong, lasting bond. Reliability is the cornerstone of any successful relationship. When a man shows he can be counted on, it creates a sense of security that many find deeply appealing. For example, if you promise to call at a specific time, follow through. If something prevents you, communicate promptly, showing respect for her time and the importance of transparency. Creating a pattern of dependability helps her feel secure, knowing she can trust your word. Your actions, big or small, reflect your reliability, whether it's attending a planned event or promptly informing her of unforeseen changes. Consistency in behavior is also crucial. To be seen as a person of value, you must maintain that standard in all interactions. Treat everyone, friends, family, colleagues, even strangers, with respect. When she observes this, she recognizes your values and how you handle various situations. Being kind, respectful, and confident reinforces your reliability and enhances your appeal. Incorporating this steadiness into daily life can involve small gestures like arriving on time for dates or meetings, which show respect for her time and a commitment to shared moments. How you handle challenges or disagreements can also highlight your steadfast nature. Staying calm and rational in conflicts deepens her trust, revealing your resilience in tough situations. Reliability includes emotional availability. 2. If she shares her fears, dreams, or concerns, listen actively and offer reassurance. This combination of emotional support and dependable actions strengthens the relationship's foundation. When she feels she can rely on you during difficult times, it builds a deeper connection. Practice active listening. Engage fully, respond thoughtfully, and ask follow-up questions. This makes her feel valued, reinforcing your role as a caring partner. Open communication encourages her to share her thoughts and feelings, creating a sense of safety and showing that you're invested in her well-being. Building shared experiences, like planning trips or working on projects together, can also boost reliability. Engaging in activities that require teamwork allows her to see you as a reliable partner. Planning a day trip, for example, gives you both a chance to collaborate, where your organizational skills and preparation enhance her trust in your ability to navigate life smoothly. Reliability has long-term importance. Many women seek stability in relationships, and showing that you're a committed partner lays a solid foundation for the future. Openly discussing goals or plans, whether related to travel, career, or personal aspirations, signals that you're present and envision a future together. Sharing dreams fosters a deeper bond and demonstrates that you're committed to a long-term connection, inviting her to join you on the journey. Being steadfast doesn't mean being perfect. Mistakes happen, but how you handle them matters. Owning up to errors and taking responsibility shows maturity and integrity, which strengthens trust. Ultimately, Embodying the steadfast man means being a source of comfort and stability. By becoming someone she can consistently rely on, you reinforce the relationship's core, building a meaningful, lasting connection. When a mistake is made, it's essential to address it directly, offer a sincere apology, and explain how you'll rectify it. This level of accountability shows that you value your commitments and are dedicated to maintaining the trust in your relationship. When she sees you take responsibility and work to improve, it strengthens the bond, deepening respect and trust. The confident man. Confidence is one of the most admired traits in potential partners. Many women are drawn to men who radiate self-assurance, as this quality often brings a sense of comfort and security. However, confidence isn't merely about being outspoken or dominating conversations. It's about possessing a quiet assurance in your abilities, decisions, and self-worth. This genuine confidence can shape how women perceive and interact with you. To project confidence effectively, start with your body language. Stand tall, maintain an open posture, and make eye contact when speaking. These nonverbal cues express a level of self-assurance that words alone might not capture. Speak clearly and with purpose, avoiding filler words like or like, which can dilute your message and make you seem uncertain. A strong, clear voice conveys authority and confidence, adding weight to your words. One way to refine your body language is to practice in front of a mirror. Observe your stance, gestures, and expressions, making adjustments to ensure you exude confidence. This practice can help you become more conscious of how you present yourself, enabling you to adjust as needed. Building confidence also requires self-awareness. Recognize your strengths and acknowledge areas where you can grow. Embrace your authentic self without feeling pressure to conform to societal expectations. This genuine self-acceptance is attractive, allowing others to see you as sincere and honest. Consider taking on activities that challenge you, like learning a new skill, participating in a sport, or stepping out of your comfort zone. These experiences can greatly boost your confidence. Self-reflection is key. Take time to identify your strengths, what you excel at, and what brings you joy. 1. Confidence and self-worth. Building confidence starts with recognizing your positive qualities. By focusing on your strengths, you develop a sense of self-worth that shines through in your interactions with others. Confidence often grows from competence. By deepening your knowledge and skills in areas you're passionate about, you cultivate a natural confidence. Pursue hobbies, advance in your profession, or take on new learning experiences, like reading, workshops, or online courses. This not only elevates your self-esteem, but also gives you valuable insights and topics to share in conversations. Emotional resilience is another critical component of confidence. Life's challenges shape how others perceive you. Learning to handle setbacks with composure makes you more attractive. People admire those who navigate life's highs and lows gracefully. View setbacks as opportunities to learn and grow, strengthening your emotional resilience and capacity for personal development. In social settings, be proactive, initiate conversations, and show genuine interest in others. This demonstrates confidence and approachability, fostering connections and putting others at ease. Preparation is key. Think of engaging questions or topics for icebreakers. And remember, your appearance plays a role in how others perceive you. Dress well, maintain good grooming, and present your best self to feel more confident. You can also seek feedback from friends to ensure your presentation aligns with your values. 2. The ambitious man. Ambition is deeply attractive. It shows dedication to growth and a commitment to a fulfilling life. To embody ambition, set goals aligned with your passions, whether in your career, creative interests, or personal growth. Share your dreams and goals openly, inviting her into your journey and letting her witness your drive. Visual aids like a vision board or goal tracker can keep you motivated and remind you of the bigger picture. Continuous self-improvement is essential. Engage in workshops, courses, or networking events and take on challenges that push you. Embracing new responsibilities or leadership roles at work strengthens your resolve and demonstrates dedication. Discuss your achievements and lessons from challenges, building admiration and a deeper connection. Collaborating with her on shared goals strengthens the bond. For example, if you're working toward a fitness goal, invite her to join you. This involvement fosters unity and allows her to see your ambition firsthand. When your ambitions have a meaningful purpose, it creates a sense of shared values that deepens your connection. 3. The enigmatic bad boy. The bad boy archetype is alluring because of his mystery and independence. He doesn't conform to societal norms, and his confidence and individuality make him memorable. Pursue unique interests or activities, such as extreme sports, creative hobbies, or unusual skills, to develop this persona authentically. A rich life filled with varied experiences draws others in and creates stories worth sharing. Maintaining a sense of mystery in your interactions adds intrigue. Rather than revealing everything about yourself, leave some things unsaid, prompting her curiosity. Share your opinions confidently, even if they differ from hers. This assertiveness shows comfort with who you are while respecting her views. In social settings, use confident body language, maintain eye contact, and carry yourself assertively. A critical trait of this persona is emotional resilience. Facing life's challenges with composure and learning from setbacks displays strength and maturity. Add an element of surprise to your relationship through spontaneous adventures or thoughtful gestures. This creates lasting memories and strengthens your bond. Remember, being a bad boy doesn't mean being unkind. Kindness and respect show depth and make you more attractive. Mastering this balance makes you someone both exciting and dependable. Balance intrigue and availability in relationships. While attention in relationships is vital, a balanced approach often brings a unique allure. People are naturally drawn to a touch of mystery, so being slightly elusive can create a sense of intrigue. This doesn't mean playing hard to get. Rather, it's about being mindful of your presence and valuing quality over quantity in interactions. When you're occasionally unavailable, it invites her to seek your attention, making each moment together feel more meaningful. To achieve this balance, cultivate a calm, nonchalant demeanor when you're with her. Engage fully in the conversation, but resist the urge to overshare. Leave moments of silence to allow her to steer the conversation, and occasionally divert your attention subtly to your surroundings or briefly check your phone. This measured approach keeps interactions fresh and engaging without making you appear distant. Invite curiosity with experiences. Share your life experiences thoughtfully. Rather than detailing every aspect, give her a glimpse, just enough to spark curiosity. For example, talk about a recent trip but leave out specifics, inviting her to ask more. Social media can also be a subtle tool here. By occasionally posting about outings or hobbies without full context, you can inspire curiosity, encouraging her to reach out and ask more. A fulfilling life outside the relationship reinforces your appeal, demonstrating that you're engaged in meaningful pursuits. Playful teasing for a light-hearted connection. Use playful teasing to keep interactions enjoyable. Gentle jokes about her interests or light-hearted challenges create a fun atmosphere, making her more invested. For instance, if she mentions a favorite book, playfully challenge her with, "Bet I'll finish it before you do." This type of banter fosters a warm, inviting energy while encouraging her to engage more actively. Build a charismatic social circle. A vibrant social circle adds a compelling layer to your persona. People are often drawn to those who are well-liked, respected, and surrounded by friends. Healthy, platonic relationships, particularly with women, showcase your character and social skills. When she sees you interacting positively with others, it reinforces your emotional intelligence and ability to form genuine connections. Consider inviting her to social gatherings or group outings with friends. When she observes how naturally you engage with others, especially female friends, it can deepen her admiration and respect for you. Engaging in meaningful social connections fosters your charisma and shows her the value of your companionship. Embrace a signature scent. A well-chosen scent is a subtle yet powerful element of attraction. Studies show that pleasant scents leave lasting impressions, often evoking positive emotions. Take time to explore fragrances that complement your personality and align with your lifestyle. Vanilla or sandalwood, for example, can evoke warmth and comfort, while fresh scents may feel invigorating. Incorporate scent into shared experiences. Cooking together with aromatic ingredients or enjoying a bottle of wine with a fragrant bouquet can create lasting memories. These sensory experiences, tied to your unique scent, help strengthen your bond. Showcase balanced masculinity. Strength, decisiveness, and emotional independence are traditionally masculine qualities that resonate deeply, but they're only part of a balanced attraction. Cultivate inner strength alongside vulnerability. Engage in physical activities like martial arts or sports to enhance your health and confidence, but also work on emotional intelligence. A man who is strong yet open about his feelings creates a compelling, authentic connection. Show leadership qualities in your life by taking the initiative in group activities or personal projects, yet don't hesitate to express empathy. She'll admire your ability to take charge and appreciate the depth of your character. Cultivate passion. Passion is magnetic, drawing people to those who channel energy into their interests. Share your enthusiasm with her, whether it's through music, art, or professional pursuits. Invite her to join you in these activities, creating shared experiences. For instance, if you love nature, suggest a hiking trip, or if you're passionate about cooking, spend a day in the kitchen together. Emotional intelligence as a foundation of connection. Emotional intelligence is perhaps the most attractive quality. Practice active listening, showing genuine interest in her thoughts without rushing to solve every issue. This thoughtful approach makes her feel understood and valued. Engage in self-awareness exercises, such as journaling or meditation, to deepen your emotional intelligence. This will not only make you more attuned to her emotions, but also enrich your personal growth journey. If you enjoyed these insights on building attraction and meaningful connections, consider liking and sharing this video with friends. For more content on self-improvement and emotional resilience, subscribe to Stoic Mindset, where we explore the journey to strength and clarity together. Thank you for watching.